Although you're not supposed to eat and drink on the sofa, you still do it and end up making a mess. Here are a few easy ways for you to clean common sofa stains using household items. 1. Wine stain. Pour some baking soda over the stain, then spray some white vinegar on top of it. Let it soak in and bubble for a bit, then dab with a damp cloth. Repeat until the wine stain has mostly been removed. 2. Food stains. This one's a classic. Dampen the fabric with water. Pour a little liquid soap on it, then rub with a cloth. 3. Grease stain. Dab away the liquids with a paper towel, then sprinkle baking soda onto the stain. Let it sit for 15 minutes to absorb the oil, then vacuum. 4. Coffee stain. Mix a teaspoon of liquid detergent with warm water, then use a cloth or paper towel to blot at the stain with this mixture. 5. Ink stain. Start by pouring a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the stain, then blot gently. 6. Pea stain. First, blot away excess moisture. Next, mix equal parts of water and vinegar, then spray it on the stain. Blot at the stain with a cloth until most of the moisture has been removed. Removing sofa stains with household items can be as easy as ABC. For more sofa cleaning tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.